and welcome back, everybody. If you want to use the Instagram's drawing feature in your chat and you're looking forward how to draw doodles in DMs, in this video we are going to guide you through the process. So let's just dive right in and get started. Start by opening up the Instagram application. For that, you can open up the Instagram app, and once you are here, you can go to your DMs by looking for the DM icon in the top right and tapping on it. After you tap on it, you just need to go ahead and enter a conversation with a friend from your Instagram. So you may just go over and do so. And once you do so, it is pretty easy to start drawing. So for that, you can just go over and tap on the plus icon in the message composer at the bottom of your screen. So find it up and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you can select the option of draw from the given menu, which is the latest new feature. So tap on draw, and once you tap on draw, it will give you options. So tap on try it. After you tap on try it, you can just go over and start drawing. So you can use this different color palette right here in order to draw. So let me just go ahead and, for example, draw a flower. So I'm just gonna go ahead and draw a flower. You can draw anything that you prefer, like this. And once you do, you just need to go ahead and send it. You can even select different brush different kind of brush style, such as a regular, highlighter, or glow. You can just go over and do so. So you can just go over and do so, and once you choose it up, you can just go over and even add up different kind of things onto your screen and scribble it out. After that is done, just go ahead and tap on the send, the back arrow option, and once you do so, the drawing will be sent and you will be finding it in the conversation. And that is it. If the draw option is not visible yet, you just need to ensure that your Instagram app is updated to the latest version and that the feature is rolling out. That will roll out the feature to your account, and that is it. So therefore, that is it, everybody. You can follow this process if you want to use the Instagram drawing features. So do not forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.